Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the Learning Class. Today's video is on how to create and design an electronic store on Shopify. Electronic stores are very popular. They're very profitable, and I've got a lot of requests asking me to design an electronic store. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, we'll really appreciate a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. We're a brand new channel, so it's free. Just help us and support us. We'll really appreciate it. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. This is the Shopify backend, as you can see. Okay, uh, the first thing that we have to do is obviously install a theme. Now, I've already installed the theme, but I'll show you how to install a theme if you are not aware of it. So with Shopify, you have options of free themes and you have options of Shopify theme store. Here, the themes, you have to buy them. The free themes are actually pretty good. Uh, as you can see, there is quite a few options, about 9 free themes, and uh, they are great. I've used, I think, almost all of them, and they are great. They're all a little bit different, obviously. Uh, and then you go to the theme store, and this is how the theme store looks like. You can go to industries, you can choose electronics, and then there's like 7 good themes that you can select. Uh, as you can see, there is there's a price factor as well. So yeah, they all range from about $250 to about $350. So the way to install them is you just click it, and then you can try the theme for free. Obviously you can't publish it, but you can try it. You can also check a demo store, so you can see how it looks like. Okay. Yeah. So for this tutorial, I already have a theme. Now just keep in mind that every single theme is different, and there's literally hundreds and thousands of themes out there, which you can purchase. And themes, they start from, there are third-party themes as well, and they start from like $30, $40. Okay, so each and every single theme is different, but today's tutorial, basically we give you an idea on how to design an electronic store. So we'll talk about colors, photos, and things like that. Of course, as I mentioned, the final, when you guys design your theme, your store, it might look a little bit different, but you can follow the basic principles and the basic rules that I do. Okay, so I have just installed the theme. The way to install a theme is, if you have your own theme, you just go to add theme, upload the file, add the file, and then just go and just double click it, upload it. So depending on your internet speed, it will just upload. But I'm going to cancel this because I've already installed it, right? So once you have installed this, all you have to do is press the customize button. So once you click on the customize, this is where all the magic happens, which means that it's going to get you to the front end of the website. Now this is the place where you're going to play around and you're going to make your store look beautiful. Now I have already imported the products. Let me show you. So I have used Dsers. Now, if you guys are not aware of Dsers, what I would suggest is have a look at my video. I've done a big tutorial on how to import products from Dsers, how to customize everything, all the settings. So yeah, feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. So just check it out. Uh, but yeah, all the products have been done. I've made all the collections as well. Okay, so let's get to the designing part. So the whole idea is that by the end of this, we want our website to look like this. Okay. So when you come in the front of the website, on the left hand side is all your sections, right? So the first section is the header. So you just click that, and then it's going to give you options. As I mentioned before, every theme is different. So just keep that in mind. Uh, Here you can upload a logo. And then you've got a slideshow section. You've got highlights, banner sections. The highlights is this free shipping. Give us a call. Yeah. Again, in your theme, you might not have this, so don't worry about it. Okay, just that's fine. Okay. Then I've got this little mosaic, also called as gallery. So in your theme, you might find gallery, right? So it's fine. Okay. So I'm gonna add some pictures to it. So I already have pictures, which I'm just gonna quickly add. Okay. So I'm just gonna select a few of them because I think I'm gonna need all of those pictures. Okay. So the first image is this one, so I'm just gonna select that. So it should come here very soon. Now, obviously, if you scroll down, so this is where you put the image. And then once you scroll down, you can see the text soar into summer, as you can see here. So there's a lot of options. I've also put a link to drones. So if somebody clicks here, they will be directed to the drones collection. Let me just do save. There you go. So the image has been saved. So that's pretty good. Again, this is customizable, right? The button text, shop drones. Opacity. Now, opacity is something which basically means you can make your image dark or light. Okay. In my case, it's not important. So I'm just going to leave it because my color is transparent here. Okay. Okay, so let's just add some images. Let's get the show on the road. Otherwise, we're going to be here forever. Okay, select. So again, this is my other section. So I've written some text here. Outlet sale 50%. This is a camera section. So obviously, you have to remember that whatever link you're gonna put, the photograph should kind of make sense, right? You know, I can't put like a computer photograph here and put cameras. It doesn't make sense. Now, obviously, you guys can customize your own photo. So, you know, this is a creative process. Designing is very creative. It's, you know, What might look good to me might not look good to you. So you have to keep that in mind. So then you scroll down and then just going to add some more pictures. Let's see. Okay. I need to add some more pictures. So that's pretty much my front of the website. You can go on the website and on the back end and click this little icon. This will just take you in the front view. So right now, this is how my website is looking. Yeah, I've got my logo, but I need to change that. I'll do that in the end. I've got the headers. I've got my menu. I've got all the images here. Yeah, so I think so far so good. Let's check if one of these works. I'm just gonna click here, headphone sales. So it should take me to the headphone. So yeah, it's taking to the headphone. So I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, awesome. Let's continue. Okay, the next section is featured collection. So in featured collection, I have decided to put laptops and notebooks. So again, I've just put this link. You just click here, change. So you can change the collection. Yeah, you can put computer accessory. I mean, you can put your own collection, right? You can put digital cameras. Yeah, stuff like that. But for this one, I'm just gonna leave laptops. You can also go in the search box and just search for your collection. So I'm just gonna select laptops. Okay. And then scroll, and then it's also having a image option. So on this side I can put an image. So let me put an image. Which one? Maybe this one. Okay, so that's the image. Now let's do save. So here you go. They're also recommending a particular size of the image for best results. So you can put this size, but if you don't have this size, you'll have to kind of do this in Canva. If you guys want me to do a video on that, just let me know. But usually you can also put just any image. It's fine. It doesn't have to be the size. Yeah, it doesn't have to be this size all the time. The whole idea is that it just needs to look good, right? Okay, so the next one is collection list. Okay, so in collection list I have put 4 collections: computer accessories, digital cameras, GPS, and portable speakers. So if I just click that, so this is all the option I have, and it says select. Yeah, I can actually put an image here. So let me select an image, and maybe I'll just put this. Let's see if it works. Yeah. The other way of doing this is also you can put over here in collections. I'll show you how to do that. So you come to your store backend, go to collections, right? I just want to see which one looks better. Do computer accessories. And then you can add an image here. So let me add this. I'm going to save it. Saved. Okay. Let's remove this image. Let's see how it looks. So as you can see, what I did was I went into my collections, and in collections you have an option to put an image, and this is where I put the image, and now the image is getting displayed here. Or we can do it now. Again, just remember, not all the themes will give you that option, right, of putting an image in the collection in the front end of your website. So if you want a nice picture, then you have to go to your collections, and then here in the collections image you put a picture. Okay. Most of the themes in my experience will, if you don't put an image here, it will take the first image of your first product as a default image. Okay. So yeah, we're just waiting for the editor to open up. Okay. So I hope this was clear enough. Let's try to add the image from here itself. And I think that will also work. Okay, but I think I'll just leave it. Okay, so my next collection is digital cameras. So digital camera, I'm gonna put this. So just gonna go back, go to my products, go to my collection, and then digital cameras. Save. Okay, the next one is GPS. Okay, we're looking for a GPS. Again, save this. So what we are basically doing right now is we are just putting our images, and then it should show up in the front side, and then the last one is portable speakers. So I've got this. So save. Okay, so let's do a quick refresh and see how this thing has come up. Okay, so as you can see, all my 4 collections are very nicely being displayed, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just going to go back here, and keep scrolling. So we have done the collection list. The next one I've put is featured collection. So again, remember this one you can change around, right? You can have this grid up or you can have it down. So this is again a totally uh, design decision that you have to take for your website, how you want it to look, or you can just directly copy the way I've done. That's totally fine too. Okay, so featured, the next one is featured collection, and I've got smart watches, and I'm gonna put an image again. Select. So I'll select a couple of images. So yeah. Just gonna have some coffee. Okay, smartwatch. So I'm just going to select this image for smartwatch. Select again. If you scroll down, you will see they have given an ideal size for the image, which you can have, or you can just put any image. Okay, go to, so next one is again mobile phone. So pretty much the same thing. So mobile, I'm just going to select this image. Going back, headphones, select image. I think I'm going to go with this. Select. And then the last collection I have is drones. So I'm just going to select this image. Select, and let's do a quick save, and let's have a look at how is the website coming along. So just to quickly recap, we did this. As you can see, I think it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty nice. It does give the feel of electronic store. We also added this image over here. Our collection, we've got this. We added this image as well. Smartwatches, and then we put this image, and this is my smartwatch which is getting displayed. Mobile phones, my phones are getting displayed. Headphones, my headphones are getting displayed as well. And then drones. Okay, so I think we're almost coming to the end of the homepage. We got just landed, fly further, so I'm going to add 2 more images, and that would complete our, so I'm going to select these two and have a look. Okay, so I'm just going to select this image again. This is just a very my own personal preference. It's nothing to do with how you should do it. You can obviously select your own image. You can select your own color. It's totally up to you. Okay, this is done as well. So I think then I've put a couple of blogs as well. This is 2021, should be 2022, but we'll just I think I'm just gonna change that as well since we are at it. Go to online store, click on blogs, and then I think I just need to edit this. So 22. And then 22. Okay, this is just a sample blog. Let's do a quick refresh. So I think our website, the homepage is pretty good. I think I'm pretty happy with this. The way it's looking, uh, it's very professional. Yeah, pretty happy. Let's have a look at some of the other things. We have to click on theme settings. So once you click on theme settings, this new menu opens up. You've got colors. Now for the electronic store, as you can see, there's a whole lot of choice of colors. You can choose your background, headings, text, links. You can customize your buttons. You can customize the header background. So the header background would be this one. You can customize your footer as well. So my footer back color is this. Now, one thing I would recommend is always make sure that your colors are in harmony. That is the key part in design. So as you can see, for this one, I've gone with blue and white and kind of dark blue kind of a color. Electronic stores, they have lots of different colors. Red and white works great. Yellow and white also works great. Uh, so yeah, again, just depends what's your color preference. Okay, moving down, we have typography, which is important. So I have chosen Roboto and Montserrat. So again, you'll be able to choose a whole lot of different fonts. So again, play around with it, see what you fancy. Okay, fave icon. So this is cool. Fave icon is something. Let me show you. As you can see here on the top, right now there is no little sign over there, right? So we can put a small image. Let me put my fave icon. So I put this little fave icon and just select it, and I'll save it later so I can show it to you. Actually, I'll save it now. Save it, and then if I refresh the page now, it's gonna give you like a little small icon there, which looks pretty cool. There you go. Again, feel free to, but it should be electronics related. It could also be a logo. Okay, then you got currency. So here you can have the currency that you want. Okay, checkout. So this is cool. And in checkout, you need to have, again, a banner. The banner should usually be your front banner, the main image. And then you want your logo. So for logo, I already have created a logo. But if you guys are interested in knowing how to do a logo, you can check out my website. Not website, sorry. You can check out my link, and you'll be able to see there is a YouTube video on how to create a very simple logo in less than 5 minutes. So I'm just going to upload my logo, which I think is not, maybe it's already uploaded. Let me check. Maybe I uploaded it. Nope, I didn't upload it. So it's gonna download. So I make logos on Ucraft. It's pretty easy and simple. Click on logo maker. So I think I've already made the logo. So I think I just need to download it. It's there, preview. Okay, just gonna load the logo now. There it is. Select. So this is for the checkout, which is when the customer checks out on the checkout page. For your logo over here, right in the main home page, you have to go to header and you will see logo image. So you just select that and select, and there you go, Axiom Electro. You can play around with the height, the width as well. Maybe we can make the width a little bit bigger. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm just gonna save it, and now I'm just going to refresh it, and let's have a look. How does our website look? So I think we got a nice little text logo, looks professional, no big dramas. We've got our menu, so that's pretty good. And then we basically went through the entire design process, and let's have a look. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good, pretty professional. So I think this is it, guys. This is a very quick and fast way of designing your own electronic store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any kind of queries, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. It really means a lot to us. We are brand new. So thank you, and have